I'm telling y'all, man. These two love me. Every day going. Every boy them a go, they want me come. You understand? I mean, me understand, cause a man like me. Where shall we go today? Ihop. Ihop real quick for breakfast. What else we today? Kisha, today I go?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. So Ihop for breakfast. Start off the day good. And Jones Beach. I bet they want to go to Jones Beach. You understand? Aye. Run it. So first up, we going to the Ihop. Get some quick breakfast. These bozos say they want to go to the beach later on, but we'll see how that goes. Let's see though. And big respects to the Uber driver. Big respects. Alright, let's go. I haven't been to the gym in a long ass time. And the gym is right next to the house. Good morning, ma'am. This is beautiful. $1, no problem. This is beautiful. No problem.
Waffle style.
Yeah, I'm getting this. 2 eggs, 2 bacon strips, 2 pork sausages, links.
Get your again.
Think I'm getting. Trying to decide between this one.
You know you have to pick your juice, right? Yeah.
They did my egg right.
I haven't been recording because it's mad people in here. Like, look at this. I didn't want to interrupt anybody while they're eating, so I just haven't been recording as much. So let's go.
Fat life, isn't it?
Hi.
Let's see how we found more food.
Yes. The food is good. Yes, some waffles. I feel like I gained like 20 pounds just now. That's possible.
The one thing about third wheeling, right? You see the two of them cleaning off each other's face, and you just got to be here by yourself wiping off your own face because your girlfriend's at work. But nobody say nothing. That's the life of a third wheeler. We're about to go though. After Kishi get more food and eat.
Nah, I'm a little dirty right now, bro.
It's work, it's work. Aye. Well, big ups to our waiter. He treated us good, man. He treated us good. Hello, sir.
Alright.
Alright, so we're en route to the beach. What beach we are again? Which one?
Jones Beach.
Jones Beach. We just made it to the beach, right? We're at Jones Beach. If only I was in Thirdwheeling.
Y'all need to see this. Yes. Get it, Brandon.
Look, listen. Eat that man. Aye. Watch here. Aye. Aye. How you doing, sir? Have a good ride. That's beautiful. Everybody's nice.
That's what everything, right? Yes, I just R.
How you doing, sir? Have a good walk.
Give up that. Dance off.
About to go in the store on the beach and see how they treat us. If we getting good prices, or they about to rip us off. See how this goes. Yep, I need me a pair of glasses. I'm feeling good. Kiss you want a long beach sweater? Show us you come a long beach. What's that wheel out?
So what did you see me?
Aye.
You see R, man.
Kiss put on your hat.
Put your hat on.
Give him a bad muggle, kiss it.
Somebody's house.
Go to my house. I'll be sure to bring it the next time. The storm wasn't no show. It looked better in the black and white photo. What the photograph don't show is where we're headed tomorrow. Yeah. In the black and white photo.
Look what we found, right?
On the whip.
We got the whip.
This is a whip.
It's a 3-seater. And you know it's 3 of us. Aye. So Kishane went to go rent it right now. We out on the boardwalk. We gonna be lit. Yo. Let's have fun with this one.
If it breaks, you agree to give the $100 deposit. Okay. So
Kishane, hurry up, I'm ready for riding now. Hurry up. Ready? Kishane, load up. Aye. Alright, let's go.
You want, we have a record here, you have pedal.
I know my hand, I use pedal. Run it. Let's pray some of the drop out. Yeah, pray some of the drop out. That's it. I'm ready.
You must be on the right side.
Who you know? Blow down.
Right side. Look at this big truck coming.
Machine.
Oh, no, we are this.
Yo, I'm tired. Yo, I'm tired. You think that this would be easy? You see?
Yes.
You was on the pedal off, right?
I think it's easy though. I don't know why they be.
It's harder than it looks. It's harder than it looks.
So guys, you guys are doing so good.
I do this shit for a living, bro.
Feels good to sit in the middle and not do anything. got these two pedaling for me. I feel like a king. We had a good day though, right?
Yep.
Ihop and the beach. Definitely, it feels good outside. Like it feels real good.
Really nice.
But as I said, my feet are killing me. We're going home.
And that triplet bike was good.
Kishi, because you were sitting in the middle the whole time.
It's good when you're in the middle and with no work.
I was helping.
All I'm saying, I'm tired.
Left, right.
I'm smoked.